Bless the Lord, everybody. I want to wish you a blessed and holy day. You know, God is awesome and we need to continue to serve Him and to give Him praise. Now, that said, I'd like to share this with you. We need to guard our spirits on social media. You know, we take for granted that we can just skip through our timeline and, there will be all kinds of material there and we think it doesn't affect us. But in the long run, it does. Sometimes in the short term, you need to clean and clear up your timeline. You need to let it be a safe space. Because what can happen is that all that material gets into your spirit, whether it be music, whether it be videos, whether it be, we see people saying negative stuff, or you have persons who are constantly negative. We need to clear our timeline. So don't be afraid to unfollow people. Don't be afraid to block people. Don't be afraid to just put away all of that negative contact. You have to guard your spirit, guard your air. So you guard your eyes and you guard your air. And these are the ways in which things get into our spirit. So I urge you today, guard your spirit. Watch your timeline when you're on social media like Facebook and Twitter, Instagram, and the others. Be very careful, and may God bless you and keep you. In Jesus' name, God bless.